Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady, loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. Today I am super excited to share with you part 2 of my succulent tapestry. Today I'm going to be revealing it to you guys and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. It was really fun putting it together. It was harder than I thought to put all those succulents in one place, and Laura Eubanks just makes it look so easy. She's just honestly, I don't know how Laura does it. I felt more like designed for insanity than designed for serenity, but she knows what she's doing. She's snatched. Anyway, I did my best and I love it. How could I not? They're succulents. Come on, guys. But before I forget, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. So let's get to it. With no further ado, let's get to that succulent tapestry. So I'm going to put these gloves on because this Opuntia has no mercy. I'm actually using my husband's welding gloves to deal with this Opuntia because of the little spikes that just drive me nuts. I don't know that I love that there, but for now, that's where it's going to be, and let's keep it moving. All right, so I have these beautiful Sempervivums that I want to put in the landscape. I don't know if that I'm going to use all of them just in case, but I'm going to use some of them. And let me just use, I bought these because my knees were on fire, and I think this can help. So let's see. I got lava rock in my shoe. All right. All right. The Opuntia and Euphorbia were merciless. They just kept poking me. I tried to put all the bigger pieces towards the back and put them in place before I started with the rest of the tapestry. Oh, I forgot about all these guys. Oh, Lord. And I guess I don't need to put all these guys. Maybe I can save them for arrangements. I wound up needing to use all those pieces. I mean, I can't even believe how many plants you need to make a tapestry. It's crazy. Look at this crap. Good job, Ruthie. Not. It's funny because I had all kinds of little clippings and things that I thought I wasn't going to have to use. Oh boy, you really use a lot of plants in this type of a project. I tried to place the plants that I knew could take full sun in areas where the sun hits mostly, and the other ones towards the side where the sun doesn't hit as much. Pretty much finished here, but I want to add a couple of pieces to get some height in the back and bring some of those rosettes closer in together. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try and do now. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to finally reveal my finished tapestry. Now I will ask you to please be gentle with me. I am not Laura Eubanks or anyone like that, and this is just something that I've been wanting to do, and I absolutely love succulents. So I watch, you know, these major landscaping geniuses and only like dream of having something as beautiful and fabulous as they have. So this is my attempt at putting a little beauty in front of my yard, because most of my succulents are in the backyard. So I'm so nervous. With no further ado, this is my front yard tapestry. I do want to add a couple of more rock pieces that I have in my backyard, but let me just start with what I did. And I am so sorry that I was not recording. I thought my camera was recording, and I did not get to show you me filling in some more succulents and filling in the rock, because my camera sucks. Anyway, or I suck for not checking. So last we left off, I had put in a bunch of succulents and was going to continue putting some in, and I was going to lay the rock. So I moved a bunch of things around because I just get crazy and just, you know, like to rearrange. And Mia's whining over there. Let me just let her say hi. You better not run in the street. Stay with me. Come. Here, stay here. Mia, here. Sit. Say hi. Don't eat rocks. Come here. Come, sit next to me. Sit here. Right here. Sit here. Come. Don't eat my plants. Come. Sit right here. You can be part of the tapestry. Sit. Sit. She just wants to run. Chase lizards. Anyway, so this is my tapestry. So I laid the rock. I started out over here. I have two different type of rocks, and I actually like that, and I'm probably going to add more of the larger rocks. You see how these rocks are kind of bigger here, and then these are the pebble rocks. So when I first started doing these, I was like, oh my god, these are huge, what am I doing? And I had to wait to go to the store and buy those. So I started out over there. I started putting everything in. I had bought these rocks, which I think are super beautiful, and I decided to do a border with them. I was gonna do some kind of a ribbon with them, but they were like too huge. You see there, I was trying to do some kind of ribbon there. I don't know what happened. So Mia, you're not supposed to pee in the front yard. Anyway, so I started out with the larger pieces, which was this beautiful artichoke agave. Let me go around. It was one of the first pieces I put in, and it's absolutely beautiful. I put in these aloes over here that I had pulled out from over there. These are so prolific and grow like crazy. I put the opuntia, and I grabbed this aloe from the back of my yard. Mia, from the back of my yard, because it was in. Actually, I'm lying. I took it from that little wooden basket, because it doesn't do anything there. And I put it there. I said, hey, it has a chance to be, you know, a showstopper. And then I put, well, you had already seen, I put in those, the flapjacks, and I just started trying to make some kind of a pattern with the plants. I don't know what I was trying to do. I put a little these tiger drawers over here. I put some of the larger pieces on the sides because I was afraid that they can get sunburned. So I tried to put them kind of to the sides, and I put the ones that I know can take direct sun with no problems on this side because I don't get much sun from that side. I added that rock over there. I had originally had it down here somewhere and it looked really ridiculous, so I put it to the back there. I thought it looked a little more natural. I don't know if it does or not, but that was my thought process. I added my little gnome because I think he's super cute, and I added this sedum here to kind of make it like it's the front of his house, and you know, it's supposed to be grass. What else? What you doing, Mia? What you doing? She's so beautiful. Mia, what you doing? Mia, what you doing? All right. I added as many succulents as I can find. Clearly, I didn't have much of a pattern to them. I just kind of put them in, and then I realized, my God, I don't have enough succulents. Like, I cannot put like a whole, like, you know, bunch in one area. So I wound up buying some more, and I feel like I still don't have enough, but I do want them to have enough room to grow. And I love all of the colors, and we've had some rain, and so far they all look like they're doing good. I love this dusty rose. I took these jades out of the back area. I had like a little planter that wasn't doing anything on the side of my house, so I took out those jades, which are going to look beautiful when they get some sun. These crinkly jades, and those as well. And I thought they'll look really, I kind of bunched up those kind of plants that I know will get taller in this area. I don't know if you can tell, but I do have like the soil is kind of mounded up, so it's not a flat surface at all. It kind of has ridges and waves to it, which I really wanted it to kind of not look flat. And you can probably tell more from here because you see how the soil kind of, it's like that much from the ground. But anyway, and I need to put more rocks there. What else? I put in some of the sempervivums. Hopefully they'll do well there. I do know that these golden sedums do well here. The California sedums do amazing. My Black Prince, I know he's done good in pretty full sun. And what else did I do? Okay, so I did the layer of rock around, like so. I try not to make it like a straight thing, kind of had like a curve to it. And when I first started, my husband said that it looked like a tombstone, which made me feel like total crap. Which made me feel like total poop. I was like, oh my God, if that's a grave, it's gonna be yours for saying that. But anyway, I personally love it. I hope you guys love it. And it's just, you know, the first like succulent tapestry I've done. So I think for a first timer, I did a pretty good job. I tried to take tips from Laura Eubanks, but I'm clearly not an expert. I just love succulents, and I wanted to put them in the ground and let them thrive. So I hope you guys like. Okay, so I lied. This is my final, the final reveal. I wound up getting some more plants that I had saved up for a different project because I felt like it was not full enough. So I added some more in this area over here, and I added those two rocks just because, hey, they're rocks. And I think it looks so much nicer. I really wish I had a little bit more to kind of do like a wave pattern here, which is kind of what I tried to do. And I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I just woke up this morning still in my pajamas, and just started putting some stuff in there. And sorry I didn't record it. I really wasn't camera ready. But this is definitely the final. For now, I mean, I'll probably put pieces here and there, or just let it kind of grow in. but I really love the way it looks. This artichoke agave is like one of my favorite things ever. I don't know about this butterfly. I don't know why I put it there, but I'll leave it for now. But I'm hoping it does really well. I may have some casualties, but honestly my fountain there does really well. So I think it should be fine. If anything happens like rain wise, I can always put some umbrellas up in this area, or like a little tent or something. I was thinking of doing some kind of PVC makeshift either not sunshade or rain shade, sun/rain shade if I need it. But I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys like it. You know, it's a work in progress for me because I feel like I just keep coming back and adding to it, but I really love it. I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for everything. Have a great day. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm so excited with my tapestry. I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time. What about the trees? Thanks. Bye.